So today's video is about the new leak and testing bike that is Yamaha Phaser version 2 that might come at the end of this year. So this bike, the look that is provided by Yamaha, it's something like weird. It is not as per the heritage of Phaser. Phaser heritage should be a twin headlamp with a big visor, but there are some changes has been done. So if you see this picture here, you can be able to know that the headlight is now with a single light setup, and it is sleek on the front. It is very sleek. So it is not like the broad one like previous Phaser. If you are going to the Phaser 7, Phaser 1 or Phaser 1.5, the Phaser 1.5 version 1, version 2, they all are taking the heritage from the Phaser 1. So they are looking like the Phaser 1 if you are comparing with the Phaser 1. So here the changes has been done. So I'll show you the changes. So first, what the picture I got is from the side view. So from the side view, something is looking like a jigsaw. So it's looking like from the side view, it is looking like a jigsaw. So if you see that from a distance, you will be feeling like this is not the Phaser version, it's Phaser 2.5. This is the jigsaw version 2, because the tank is now more having more edges like a jigsaw, not like the Phaser previous version or something. So this is the picture that you can. Okay, let's go to the aerial view. So from aerial view is sharing the instrument cluster from the FZ25. So this is not a problem because every Phaser have carried the instrument cluster from the FZ version. So let's go to the another picture here. So this is from the rear side picture. So it is having the same rear mudguard, then the same exhaust H4, the FG. So let's go to the another picture that I got. So this is from the front part. So here front part is of a single headlamp, and it is very sleek in size, and it is a single headlamp, and this headlamp is carried out from directly from the FZ25, and the DRLs on this having on both sides of the headlamp, and it's the same. It is having the rear view mirror on the visor and the windscreen also. It's a small one. It's not looking that great. So here this front side, I don't feel like it is a Phaser. Nobody can see from a distance, and they can be able to judge that a Phaser is coming. They will be feeling like it's a different bike is coming. It's not a Phaser. So this is my opinion on what I think with the Phaser, because I am having a Phaser 1.5 version 2, and I love my bike so much. But as per this style, I don't like it. So, and if you'll see this picture here, what is I'm showing, you can be feel like the visor part is very small. The front part is very small, so it is not big as any other Phaser. So it is very small. It is going narrower to the narrower. It is going narrow to the front part. So it will be like what? So it might be if they have tested with the wind tunnel and they have come across with this one. So the wind blast will be on lower side and the speed will be more, but the look, it's not feel that great that should be on a Phaser heritage. So it should take the heritage from the Phaser 1 and it will be go down. So it will at least look like a Phaser. And other thing, they have come across from the side view. If you'll see from the side view, the Phaser should, if you will see from the side view, the Phaser should be a semi-fat version of FG. But what they have done here, what Yamaha have done here, they have make it as a full fat bike. So if you are having, it's somehow it's looking like a little bigger version of Gixxer, and it is looking like a smaller version of Ninja 650. So with all of these changes, the bike look completely different from the Phaser. So give me your opinion. So if you like the single headlamp setup for a Phaser, or you like dual headlamp setup, because Phaser is known about the dual headlamp and semi-fairing bike. So friend, that much for today. So bye bye. See you tomorrow with something new news that is coming across.